Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Gladiator Culture Podcast, episode 2. AI. Will AI replace your IT job? The first things first. AI is already here. It's not coming further down 5 years. It's not there 10 years. It's not there 15, 20 years. It's already here and is making an impact. But first of all, I would like to say we've all used AI. We've all used AI. Try to integrate AI, and the most thing that you have to be scared of, even if you're a student who's thinking of doing an IT degree or cybersecurity or whatever in the IT field, this is a fact. AI would be there forever, but if you are not skillful enough, you would be replaced in an instant. But if you actually up your skill in any industry, it could be cybersecurity, it could be programming. If you skill yourself so much, and if you have critical thinking, I'm talking about people who are thinking of doing IT field. If you improve your critical thinking ability as well as improve your skills overall, AI would not replace you. You would have it way beneficial for having AI integrated into your academic or integrated in your professional job, and would give you a crazy heads up. It would make your life way easier. And in any industry, bro, like with technology, think what happened with technology, bro. How did technology develop so much? And imagine the jobs that were impacted even before like technology was a thing. When it first came out, small jobs got replaced. That's the reality. If you are not upping your skill, technology is going to take over any industry. But if you have upped your skill and if you have made yourself so unique and you're out there, you're in high demand, technology would actually help you. AI would actually help you. Like for example, if you think even if you're going like in the programming side, if you're a junior developer, you would get replaced easily. You can just create a code easily through AI right now with ChatGPT and everything out there. But if you're a senior developer with good critical thinking, AI cannot replace. No, AI would never replace. I saw this wonderful thing that says about AI. The truth is, AI will replace 30% of IT jobs by 2030. Let that sink in. 30%. So do you want to be part of the 30%? No, probably, definitely not. And like I said, if you're a junior developer or like any other junior role, you would definitely get replaced easily. So whatever you're thinking, if you're thinking of doing an IT degree or whatever, make sure you become the top level person, man, like the senior developer or the senior computer engineer or whatever. You have to up your skill. Forget about AI, forget about IT. In any industry, if you don't up your skill, you're going to get replaced easily. You won't be able to even find a job at this job market if you don't up your skill from whatever degree or whatever field that you did, whatever professional field that you did. All right, so I saw this thing that somewhere. All right, let's see who's at risk. I saw this article written. Obviously, developers, like I said, cybersecurity, data analysts, and IT support. These are all, keep in mind, all of these 4 things that I said, all the junior roles are affected. Junior roles, even like developers, if you handle like very junior developing stuff, you would get replaced. Cybersecurity, again, you would get replaced unless you are a very high skilled cybersecurity expert. Then you are in high demand because AI detects threats in seconds, but attackers use AI too. So new roles in AI powered defense are growing. So that industry is growing if you are skillful enough. And I would like to break this into 2 segments: jobs at risk and those jobs that would be in demand with the growing of AI. With the growing of AI, what would be in demand? So what would be at risk? First of all, junior developers, QA testers, basic data analysts, and L1 support. What would be in demand? In demand would be AI engineers, prompt engineers, AI security specialists, and AI compliance and ethics expert. Research those 4. Those are very important. So I think from my perspective, I think AI compliance and ethics expert would be very high in demand. Like AI cannot replace because you're thinking about AI governance. You're protecting an organization's rights. Not rights, their data. So a human has to perform this. We are protecting ourselves from AI. So that, in my mind, would be highly in demand. From the 4 things that I said, which would be in demand. The next one, how do you stay ahead? I need to make sure you guys get this, okay, all the IT people out there. So I did a bit of research, the future of IT jobs, what would happen. Global AI markets will grow from 240 billion US dollars to 1.3 trillion US dollars by 2032, which if you look at the IT companies right now, they are racking in billions and billions, bro. And it just started. It was always there. AI was always there, like I said, but it became more famous right now. It's available to the public right now, mostly. So right now it's racking in billions and billions of dollars. So easily trillions are coming easily by 2032 for AI companies. So if you can get into AI company, and if you are skillful enough, hats off to you. What would be the future of IT with this AI? I would say the line between IT and AI, like right now, IT and AI is two different things. But as far as I can see, they're gonna come into one. IT would be AI. There would not be AI without IT. There would not be IT without AI. It's gonna be one line. And if you learn to be skillful enough, you're in the right trajectory. If you are not, you're gonna get hopped off. That's the reality. See, I saw this one wonderful quote. Here's the truth, okay? AI isn't here to steal your job. It's here to test your adaptability. Sorry, my bad. Let me rephrase that again. Let me say it again. AI isn't here to steal your job. It's here to test your adaptability. Let that sink in. Don't think of AI as, oh, damn, that's bad. AI is going to take over. That's what they said about Google. That's what they said about the internet when the internet first boomed up. Everyone was scared, man. Everyone was like, nah, what's this internet? No one cares. No one's going to use it. And it's a threat. It's going to be so bad for the humans and all that stuff. Now, look, you can't survive without internet. Same thing with AI. The faster you learn how to use AI to your advantage, the better. So don't be one of those people who neglect it. Integrate it into your system, adapt with it, learn, and make yourself more skillful enough to use AI to your advantage. And good luck. See you guys. Take care.